Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing, have we seen a great reset in Thai immigration policy? What are we talking about here? Well, for the past couple of years, I was telling people during the emergency decree when Thai immigration had a lot more discretion, we were seeing a lot of things we'd never seen before in Thai immigration. I said, hey, look, be aware, this is not going to go on forever. I know a lot of people that managed to stay in Thailand for prolonged periods of time utilizing so-called COVID visas or various other, for example, some folks use volunteer visas, various things, and they were able to do that because of the emergency decree. That ended back in October, and then here now we're starting to see, as I've done another video contemporaneously with this one, there's a lot of delays now in immigration, heightened scrutiny. So I'm posing the question, have we seen sort of a great reset in Thai immigration policy? I think that there is an argument to be made that we have. And I think this may have profound ramifications moving forward. I think Thai immigration is going to get harder, quite honestly. I don't think the era, oh, it's easy, it's cheap, I just do, I find some workaround, some shortcut. I don't think how Thai immigration is going to be down the line. For a lot of different reasons. Most notably economically, there's a lot of shakeups going on around the world. I expect that's going to cause some dislocation of people. I suspect Thailand's going to be acutely aware of that, as they're acutely aware of massive influxes of people that have come in the past few months from different areas. And Thai immigration, as we've noted in other videos, and law enforcement generally have taken steps to sort of combat what they view as the more negative excesses, if you will, of having a mass influx of folks in the country. I don't think this is going to abate. In fact, if anything, I really do think moving forward, we're looking at an immigration system that is going to be more difficult to deal with. Now, for those who are going to get angry about this, especially Westerners who have been here, bear in mind, our immigration systems for Thais have never been easy. There's very few countries that, especially in a quote-unquote Western context, the Anglosphere, if you will, folks, the English-speaking world, as well as Europe, it's not just an easy thing for a Thai national to get on a plane and go to one of those countries. As we've discussed many, many times on this channel, for example, right now, the U.S. immigration process is, in my opinion, something akin to a quagmire. I mean, stuff's moving through now, but it's not great. The last administration did a lot of things that, quite honestly, really just gummed up the works of the system. And the present administration, I think they're maybe kind of trying, but they don't seem to have they don't have a fire under them, it seems like, to be doing much about it. So long story short, it's not easy to get into these Western countries. I don't think it's going to be particularly appropriate in the future for Westerners to think it's going to be particularly easy to get into Thailand. Now, I say that with one major caveat. Tourism, yes. I think if you want to be a true tourist to Thailand, you're not going to have a problem getting into Thailand for a couple of weeks, having a good time and leaving. Even a month and a half. Right now it's still 45 days visa exempt for many passport holders coming into Thailand. But if you're looking to live here long term and to try and kind of game the system and do all this stuff, that era is over, in my opinion. And in fact, those who are looking to get non-immigrant visas to live in Thailand longer term are going to have, I think, more issues with that moving forward.